This is another view of the city. This is what another part of it looks like. This is London. I'm in like Docklands, Canary Wharf sides. If you ever travel to London, these are some places you'll see still. See, we got a Barclays too for all the Americans. Got the Barclays building. I don't know what this EY thing is. Buildings there, all behind us. Yeah, this is that Canary Wharf, nice area. You know, got the little barriers, so you know you coming in the bar. You got all security up there. You know what I'm saying? Red light, green light. Red light, green light. That was this fucking guy talking shit.